Thinking about joining Netflix but not sure how to start? In just a few clicks, you could be watching your favorite shows and movies tonight. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up for Netflix, step by step. No confusion, no fluff. Let's go. First, open your web browser and head over to www.netflix.com. Enter your email in the box. Right there on the homepage, you'll see a big red button that says, Get Started. Click it, and boom, you're on your way. In this window, you don't have to do much. All you have to do is click Next. Now it's time to create a password. In the first box, you will see the email you entered. Just below that, you can enter the password. Use a strong password and not like some still do Netflix 123. Yes, some still do. If you want to receive emails from Netflix with special offers, you can click the square. If you have done everything, you just have to click on Next to continue. It's time to choose your subscription. Here you see I have 3 choices. 3 different subscriptions: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The subscription choice may vary by region. Check out the different options and choose the plan that is best for you. The 3 most important options are price, video quality, and how many devices you can watch on together. If you are not sure what to choose, we have a video where we explain it all. The link can be found in the description. Now you'll need to enter a payment method. This can be a credit card or other local options depending on your country. Netflix may offer a free trial or discount depending on your region, so keep an eye out for that. Once your payment is confirmed, you're officially in. You can now set up individual profiles. One for you, one for your partner, the kids, even a guest account. Netflix will start giving recommendations based on what you watch in each profile. And that's it. You're now ready to stream thousands of series, movies, documentaries, and more. You can watch on your phone, tablet, smart TV, laptop, anywhere you want. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Netflix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your first binge session.